This video demonstrates how to create and use cascade filters in WebSHED. This includes enabling and disabling filters, saving and loading filters, and editing filter criteria. Cascade filters will affect the data shown throughout WebSHED, including data sheets, maps, and reports. Filters can be applied to contract, downhole, face, linear, or point tables. These examples will all use downhole filters. Click the plus button next to the required filter type. This opens the Edit Filter dialog. Choose a field from the list. These fields are usually columns in database tables or views. Next, choose a comparison type or operator from the drop-down list, then enter or choose a filter value. Depending on the field type and the comparison selected, you may be given a list of choices or just a space to enter the required value. 2 values are required for between comparisons, and some operators require no values. Now click the Add Criteria button to add the condition to the filter, and click Activate Filter to make the filter active. The new filter appears in the filter list, and the green check mark shows that it's active. Clicking the green check mark next to the filter will deactivate the filter. The filter is now shown with a red block icon. Clicking that red icon will set the filter to active again. Click on the filter to show and optionally edit the filter criteria. If you choose, you can also enter a name for the filter and click Save to save the filter using that name. The filter is now named, saved and active, and the filter is shown in the filter list with its new name. Now we're adding another filter, this one based on the hole depth. We choose the max depth column, choose the greater than operator and enter the value 50. This filter is saved with an appropriate name and is automatically activated. Note that activating a filter will automatically deactivate any other active filters. We now deactivate the filter. All filters are now disabled. We use the View Data option to open the DH collar table and view the collar data in this table. No filters are currently active, so the entire contents of the table are shown. The top of the data sheet also shows that there is no filtering active. In the Module Select window, the available filters are shown below the relevant table name. Selecting one of these items will show the table with that filter applied. Notice that the number of items is now reduced and the filter criteria is shown at the top of screen. Choosing the other filter item activates that filter and shows the table data with that filter applied instead. We can also see that with a filter active, selecting the table does not show all the data, it shows the filtered data. Disabling the filter and then selecting the refresh button will show the entire table contents. Clicking the Add Filter button brings up the filter dialog as before. Selecting the arrow at the top of screen shows a list of existing filters created for this table. From here we can load an existing filter, modify the filter definition, in this case add a new additional condition, and then save the filter with a new definition. Using an AND condition means that both of these conditions must be met for the data to appear in the filter. In this particular case, all the DD holes must be deeper than 100 meters. We can edit the filter again, this time remove the condition that limits holes to 100 meters and deeper, and instead add a condition for holes deeper than 500 meters. Save the filter and refresh the displayed data. Opening the filter definition again, we see that there is a button to delete a saved filter. You can see that the filter is removed from the list underneath the table name in the Module Select list, and also removed from the filter list under the Cascade Filters menu. Now we'll create a new filter with multiple conditions, including a combination of and or conditions. Depending on the type of filter and what you want to achieve, it is possible that the filter editor will incorrectly guess how you want to combine the multiple and or criteria. In this case, we want both DD and AC holes, but only if they go deeper than 100 meters. If you use a combination of ands and ors, use the Advanced SQL button to see the SQL clause and confirm that the brackets are positioned to combine the conditions the way that you want them. In this case, the filter will show DD holes deeper than 100 metres and any AC holes regardless of their depth. This is not what we want. This can be fixed by removing the depth condition and re-adding it. The editor figures out that the hole type should be kept together. For more complex queries, you can also edit directly the SQL clauses here, but beware that once you do this, you may not be able to revert back to the basic editor. That's it for the filtering tutorial. Thanks for watching.